a moment for them. What does number 1 have there in the back? Golazo number 10 scored Friday against the Dominican Republic. And here are the CFU under 14 champions. Number 4, the captain with 80s flag around his waist.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2026 CFU Under 14 Challenge Series Boys Tier 1, Haiti.
And here's number 4 going to raise the trophy with his team. And it's Haiti. CFU under 14 champions. What a moment for them. What a moment for this team and what a moment for this country. Haiti will be bringing this trophy home. Absolute scenes here. Incredible. And here they are taking some photos.